Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue. We did this one. I will continue. They want the slope of the normal line to the graph of this. I have M normal is -1 of M tangent. M tangent is Y prime at 0. Okay. So take ln Y will be equal ln C e to x cosine x minus ln to x plus 1 square root x plus 1. And that will be ln C plus ln e to x plus ln cosine x minus ln 2x plus 1 minus half ln x plus 1. That will be ln y. Now differentiate with respect to x, y prime over y. Ln c is just a constant, who cares? This is what? 2x. So that will be 2 minus, I have cosine x, derivative of cosine, which is minus sine. So this is minus sine. Minus 2x plus 1, I have 2. Minus half, I have x plus 1. Now, y at 0 will be c times 1 over 1 times 1, which is c. So y prime at 0 will be y at 0 times this, 2 minus sine x over cosine x minus 2 over 2x plus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 1. No, it's right away. Substitute y. We can substitute sine 0, which is 0, or cosine 0 over 1. This is 2. This is minus half. So it will be minus c over 2. So it will be the slope of the normal minus 1 minus c over 2, which is 2 over c, which is this one. Y equal 1 plus square root of x the power x. Take ln. So I have ln y equal x ln 1 plus square root of x. So y prime over y, product rule, derivative of the first 1 times the second, plus x times 1 plus square root of x over 1 to square root of x. First, I know that y at 1 would be what? 1 plus 1 to the power 1, which is 2. 2 to the power 1, which is 2. So y prime at 1 will be y at 1 times what? Ln 2 plus 1 over 2 over 2. So it is 2 ln 2 plus 1 over 4. In other words, it will be half plus 2 ln 2, or I can write it half plus ln 4, which is this one. The slope tangent line at this point. Take ln, I have y ln x equal x ln y. Differentiate, I have y prime ln x plus y over x equal ln y plus x times y prime over y. Now 1, 1, this is 0. Have 1 ln 1, which is 0, 1 plus y prime. So y prime equal. That's the slope. What you're doing is an equation of horizontal tangent line to this curve. The tangent line means I need to find, I need to be sure y. Is an equation of horizontal tangent. Horizontal tangent line means y prime equals 0. Okay, let us find y prime. I need to find ln y equal what? Ln x, ln x. Differentiate y prime over y will be equal what? Ln x over x plus ln x over x, which is 2 ln x over x. So y prime will be equal to y ln x over x. We want this to be equal to 0. To solve this, where this equal to 0. So we have 2y then x equals 0. So I have either y equals 0 or ln x equals 0. Ln x equals 0, I have x equal 1. If x equal 1, then y will be 1 ln 1, 1 to the power 0, which is 1. So this is the answer. Is an equation. So y equal 1 is an equation. Y equals 0, impossible that y equals 0. When I will have 0 equal x to the power ln x, is impossible to be true. So this is rejected. So y equal 1, this is the only solution. The slope of tangent line to this curve at x equal 1. So I want m tangent, which is y prime at 1. Take ln y will be ln of this plus ln of this plus ln of this. Differentiate. So y prime over y will be what? 1 plus x to the power half. Here I have 1 over 2 root x. Plus here I have 2 plus x to the power 1 over 3. 1/2 1 over 3 x to the power 2 minus 2 over 3. Plus here I have what? 3 minus x to the power 1 over 4. I have what? 1 over 4 x to the power minus 3 over 4. By the way, y at 1 is what? Is 1 plus 1, 2 times 3 times 2. 3 minus 1, which is 2. That gives 12. Okay. So y prime at 1 will be y at 1 times this. Here I have what? 1 over 2 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over what? Over 2. That will be what? 12. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 9. Correct? Yeah, I have exact 1. Plus 1 over 8. Calculation now. That will be what? 9, 18, 27, 54. No. 9 times 8, 72. 72 divided by 4, yes. So that will be 72. Okay. Oh, by 4. 72 by 4 is what? 18. Huh? Yeah. 1, 8. 23, 40, 32, 40, 72. So you have 32. By this is 8. This is 9. That will be what? Oh, there is a minus sign. No, no minus sign. It's mistakes. It's 18. This is 18. Still. Eight plus 9. There should be a minus sign somewhere. This times this times this. This is a minus sign. Yes. When you differentiate, that will be a minus sign. So this is minus 9. So this is 6. This is 1. So it's 17 over 6. Which is this one? Yeah. No, there's a minus sign here. Calculation. Okay. Y equal cosine x to the power x square. Differentiate it or take ln. Ln y will be x square. Ln cosine x. Differentiate y prime over y. That will be 2x. Ln cosine x plus x square times what? Cosine x minus sine x. So I have y prime will be equal y times 2x ln cosine x minus x squared tan x. I can take minus x common factor times y, which is cosine x all to the power x squared, times tan x, x tan x, minus 2 ln cosine x, which is this one. Yeah. Equal this, find y prime, take ln y will be ln x, ln 1 plus cosine x. Differentiate with respect to x, y prime will be ln 1 plus cosine x over x plus ln x 1 plus cosine x minus sine x. So that means y prime will be equal y, yeah, times this, ln 1 plus cosine x over x minus sine x ln x over 1 plus cosine x. Yeah, maybe you can simplify it more. X over y equal y, find y prime at this point. We did it before. So I have y ln x, take ln of both sides, equal x ln y. Differentiate, I have y prime ln x plus y over x equal ln y plus xy prime over y. 1, that will be 0. So 1, 0 plus 1, ln 1, which is 0, plus y prime. So y prime equal y equal this, find y prime at 0, take ln y, tan x, ln x plus e to the power x. Okay. Now differentiate y prime over y will be what? Secant square x, ln x plus ax plus tan x, x plus ax. I have 1 plus ax at 0. Y at 0 is what? 0 plus 1, 1 to the power 0, which is 1. So this is y prime at 0. Will be y at 0 times what? Secant 0, which is 1, ln 1, which is 0, 0 plus 1, plus tan 0 times 1 over 1, times 2 over 1. Not different. So that will give me 0, 0, 0, 0 times 1, which is 0. So y prime equal 0. If y equal this, find y prime at 1. First, what will be y at 1? It will be 0. Done. Okay, let me, ln y will be what? Will be, yeah, it will be ln x squared minus 1 plus ln x squared plus 2 plus ln x cubed plus 3 plus ln x to the power 4 plus 4 plus ln x to the power 5 plus 5. So no need to twist. Since y equal 1, 0, the result is 0. So let me do it. Y prime over y, that will be 2x over x squared plus 1. X squared had a minus 1. Okay. This is 2x over x squared plus 2, 3x squared over x cubed plus 3, 4x cubed over x to the power 4 plus 4, 4x to the power 5. Plus. So y prime at 0 will be y at 0 times this at y at 1. Which is 0. So 0 times anything will be 0. So it's okay. I think it's a mistake. He mean plus, but let me do it as is. At 1, it will be what? Minus 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5. But the answer is 0, so this is 0. Then y 1 plus x, then x plus secant x. Differentiate y prime over y, 1, then x plus secant x, 1 plus x, x plus secant x, 1 plus secant tan x. Y prime at 0. What will be y at 0? Y at 0 will be 0, secant 0 is 1, 1 to the power 1, which is 1. So it will be y at 0. Here I have ln 1, which is 0, plus 1, and I have 1 plus 0 over 0 plus 1. Okay, secant 0 is 1. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So the result will be what? 1. By the same right tangent to this, at the point this, M tangent y prime at this point. Take ln y will be x, ln x squared plus ln x. Y prime over y, derivative of this, which is 1, plus x, derivative of this, in x squared plus ln x. I have 2x plus 1 over x. At what? At 1. So y at 1 will be what? 1 plus 0 to the power 1, so it's 1. So y prime at 1 will be y at 1. Ln of 1, 1 plus ln is 1, which is 0, so it's ln of 1. Here I have 1, 2, plus 1 over 1 plus ln 1. This is 3, this is 0, this is 1, so the answer is 3. If y equal this, find y prime at this point, 0 and 1. So this is what? X minus 1 squared over x to the power 4 plus 1, all to the power 1 over 3. Take ln y will be 1 over 3, ln x minus 1 squared minus ln x to the power 4 plus 1. All of this is 1 over 3. So that will be 1 over 3, 2 ln x minus 1 minus ln x to the power 4 plus 1. And then ln y. So y prime over y, derivative, that will be 2 over x minus 1, 4x cubed over x to the power 4 plus 1. What is y at 1? Y at 0, I mean. Y at 0 will be 1 over 1, which is 1. So y prime at 0 will be y at 0 times this 1 over 3. At 0, I have minus 2 minus 0. This is 1, so it will be minus 2 over 3. Find y prime at this point. Ln y will be cosine x, ln of this. Y prime over y. What is y at 0? 1 plus 0 to the power cosine 0, which is 1, so it will be 1. It will be minus sine x, then 1 plus 3x plus cosine x times 3 over 1 plus 3x. Now y prime at 0 will be y at 0, which is 1, actually given here. Don't need to find it. This is 0. This is 3. So the answer is 3. Ln y will be sine x ln x. Y prime over y will be cosine x ln x, sine x over x. Y prime at pi will be what? Y at pi, I mean. It will be pi sine pi, which is 1. Sine pi to the power 0, which is 1. So y prime at pi will be y at pi times cosine pi ln pi plus sine pi over pi. This is 0. Sine pi is 0. This is minus ln pi. And this is 1. So the answer is minus ln pi. This one, I have ln y equal tan x ln e plus sine x. So it will be y prime over y secant square x ln e plus sine x plus tan x, derivative of this. I have e plus sine x, derivative of e is 0, cosine x. What is y at 0? Y at 0 will be e to the power 0, which is 1. So y prime at 0 will be y at 0 secant 0, which is 1, ln sine ln e, which is 1, plus tan 0, which is 0, cosine 0 over e plus sine 0. All of this is 0, and this is 1, this is 1, so the answer is 1. Find the slope of tangent line to this curve at this point. So I have ln y equal ln x, ln 1 plus sine x. By the way, what is y at 1? It's 1, huh? It's given here. Okay, so differentiate y prime at 1. Y will be 1 over x ln 1 plus sine x times ln x plus, plus ln x times 1 plus sine x times cosine x. Y prime at 1 is y at 1. Here I have what? 1 ln ln 1 plus sine 1. Okay, I don't know what is it. Plus ln 0, ln 1 I mean, which is 0, times cosine 1 over 1 plus sine 1. Here I have 0. Who cares? Here I have, this is 1. So I have ln 1 plus sine 1. That's it. Okay. Ln x, ln of this. So I have 1 over x, ln of this. زائد ln x, derivative of this, cosine x. At 1, this is 0. خلاص. This is, it will not be 0. Ln of 1 plus sine 1. Which I don't know what is it. Take ln y. By the way, y at 1 will be what? 1 plus 0 to the power 1, which is 1. Ln y equal x, ln x plus ln x. So y prime differentiate will be ln x plus ln x plus x times x plus ln x, 1 plus 1 over x at 1. So y prime at 1 will be y at 1, which is 1. Here I have what? Ln 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 over 1 plus ln 1. So that is 1, that is 0, that is 2. So it will be 2. We are back to these old exams. Ln y equal x, ln square root of x. Differentiate y prime over y. By the way, what is y at 2? It will be root 2 all squared, which is 2. Will be ln square root of x plus x. Note, ln square root of x is half ln x. Huh? So this is then, what's the derivative of this? Times 1 over 2. Okay. Yeah. It will be x half ln x, which is 1 over 2x. So y prime at 2 will be y at 2 times ln square root of 2 plus half. So that will be 2 ln square root of 2 plus 1, or 1 plus ln square root of 2 square, which is 1 plus ln 2, which is this one. Y equal this, find y prime. Very clear, I need to take ln y. If you do ln y, half ln y equal 2 ln sine x, let me do it right away, plus 4 ln tan x minus 2 ln x squared plus 1. So differentiate y prime over y. I have sine x, 2 cosine x. Here I have what? Plus 4 secant square x over tan x. Here I have what? 2 times 2x over x squared plus 1. So y prime will be y, which is all of this, y times 2 cosine x plus 4 secant square over tan x minus 4x over x squared plus 1. That is y. So this is that. G of x equal this, then the slope of the normal line to the curve of G. Slope of normal minus 1, slope of tangent, which is minus 1 over f prime at 2, or G prime at 2 in this case. So need to find G prime at x. That will be what? This is the power half, so it will be half 1 plus 3fx to the power minus half. Derivative of this, 3f prime at x. At 2, G prime at 2 will be half 1 plus 3 f at 2 to the power minus half 3f prime at 2. This is slope of the tangent. And that equal what? Half. F at 2 is 5. This is 16 to the power minus half. F prime times 3 times 16. So that will be what? 1 over 2. This is 1 over 4 times 3 times 16. So that give me what? Yeah, this is 2 cancelled, 6. So slope of the normal minus 1 over 6, which is this. The equation of the normal line with this. So you know that m normal equal minus 1 over m tangent, and it's minus 1 over y prime at pi over 2. What will be y prime? It will be cosine of cosine x times minus sine x. So y prime at pi over 2, which is the slope of the tangent, is what? Cosine of 0 times minus sine pi over 2. And that is cosine 0 is 1 minus 1. So slope of the normal will be 1 So it will be the equation y minus 0, 1 x minus pi over 2. So it means y equal x minus pi over 2. Where does the normal line to this parabola at the point this intersect the parabola second time? We have a parabola. This is the parabola. We have the point minus 2 and 0, which is here. Yeah. We have tangent line here, and they have a normal line. They want this point. And, okay. What I will do, I will find the equation of the normal line. And then I will equate it with I'll find the intersection between the normal line and the curve. So to find the equation of the normal line, find the slope, m tangent, m normal, equal minus 1 over m tangent, which is minus 1 over f prime at minus 2. What is f prime? 2x. So it will be minus 1 over minus 4, which is 1 over 4. So the equation of the normal, yeah, this is easy. Prime is 2x minus 2. That will be the slope of the tangent. Minus 1 of that will give minus 1 over that. Will give you the normal line. So what's the equation? Equation is y minus 0 equal 1 over 4 x plus 2. So that means y 1 over 4 x plus half. I plug it there. So I have 1 over 4 x plus half equal x squared minus 4. To find the intersection between the curve and the normal line. This is the normal line. So multiply by 4. I have x plus 2 equal 4x squared minus 16. So I have 4x squared minus x minus 18 equals 0. That will give me what? 4x. It should be, I should have minus 2. Should be there. X plus 2. That will be x minus 9. I get this from here because this is one of the points. Okay. So minus 18, minus 9 plus 8, minus 6, everything is okay. So I have x equal minus 2 and x equal 9 over 4. This is no need because it's already here. I want the second time. That x equal 9 over 4. So y will be what? Can plug it here. Okay, or in the curve will be the same. It will be 9 over 16 plus half, which is 17 over 16, correct? Yeah, this is 8 over 16. Yeah. So the point is 9 over 4 and 17 over 16. What does the 9 over to the parabola at the point intersect the parabola second time? Yeah, this is what doing parabolas with the normal line. Same idea, but the other way. This is the parabola. At this point, I have tangent line. We have normal line. We want this point. The same idea. So y prime equal minus 2x. So m normal minus 1 over m tangent. And that will be minus 1 over f prime at minus 1, which is minus half. So the equation will be y minus 0 equal minus half x plus 1, which is minus half x minus half. Plug it here again. That means minus half x minus half equal 1 minus x squared multiplied by 2. So we have minus x minus 1 equal 2 minus 2x squared. So we have 2x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0. Factor it. I should have x plus 1 from here. I should have x because this is the point of intersection. And this is make it minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 minus x, which is correct. So I have x equal minus 1. This is no need. Or x equal 3 over 2. If x equals 3 over 2, what will be y? Can plug it here. 1 minus 9 over 4. Yeah. Which is minus 5 over 4. So the point is 3 over 2 and minus 5 over 4. Okay. The equation normalized to the graph of this. M normal minus 1 over m tangent, which is minus 1 over f prime at pi. So to find y prime. Y prime is what? This is quotient, derivative of the numerator, cosine x times the denominator, minus derivative of the denominator times the numerator over the denominator square. M tangent will be y prime at pi. Cosine pi is minus. Here I have pi minus 1. Sine pi is 0, 0, minus 1 over 1 pi minus 1 square. Okay. Did I do a mistake? Cosine x, x plus cosine x minus 1 plus sine x, 1 minus sine x, sorry. This is 1 minus sine x. It will not make a difference. Yeah, it will not make a difference. Okay. Now at pi, I want to do it at pi, yes. That will give me what? Yeah. Y prime at pi, cosine pi, which is minus. This is pi minus 1. This is 0, 0. This is minus 1. This is a half pi minus 1 square. Okay. So it's minus pi over pi minus 1 square. Slope of the normal will be pi minus 1 square over pi. So the equation will be y minus 1 over pi minus 1 equal this strange number times x minus pi, which is what? So y will be this strange number times x minus pi plus 1 over pi minus 1, which is this one. But the numbers are complicated. The equation normalized to this curve at x equals 0. Yeah, x equals 0 makes sense. So the same thing, m normal minus 1 over m tangent minus 1 over f prime at 0. Y prime will be what? 1 plus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x. Yeah, give it some space. Y prime 1 plus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x minus sine x for x plus sine x over 1 plus cosine x square. So y prime at 0 will be what? I have 1 plus, this is 2 times 2. This is 0 over 2 square, which is 4. That will be 1. So the slope of the normal will be minus 1. So the equation, what is f at 0? Y at 0 will be 0. So I have y minus 0 minus 1 times x minus 0. So the equation y equal minus x, which is this. Find the equator tangent line normal line to this curve at the point this. Okay, this you can simplify. It's x to the power minus half plus e to the power x minus 1. This is my y. So find y prime minus half x minus 3 over 2 plus e to the power x minus 1. To find the tangent, this is the point. Tangent, m tangent will be what? F prime at 1, and that is minus half. That's it, plus 1. E to the power 1 minus plus 1, which is half. So the equation will be y minus 2 half x minus 1. In other words, 2y minus 4 equal x minus 1. So 2y minus x minus 3 equals 0. Normal. M normal minus 1 over m tangent, which is minus 2. So it will be the equation, same point, y minus 2 minus 2x minus 1. So y minus 2 equal minus 2x plus 2. So y equal minus 2x plus 4. Yeah. The equation normalized to this curve. What is the curve? Not sure is there an x here or not. Y equal, is it x ax 1 plus x? Yeah, no, ax only. Seems to be ax. Okay, let us see. I'm not sure about the equation. M normal minus 1 over m tangent, which is minus 1 over f prime at 0. So it will be f prime at x. I have ax 1 plus x, okay, minus what? Ax over 1 plus x all square. F prime at 0 will be what? 1 minus 1 over 1, which is 0. So the tangent line is horizontal. That implies the normal line is vertical. And so its equation, x equal the point, x equals 0, since the point is 0. The x-intercept tangent line to the curve this. This is when the x-intercept of the tangent line. So I need to find the tangent line, find the x-intercept. Differentiate 2 over 3, x is minus 1 over 3, plus 2 over 3, y is minus 1 over 3, y prime equals 0, 0.1 and 8. So x equal 1, 8. I have what? 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3. This is 8, 2 minus half, which is half, I mean, y prime equals 0. So I have 1 over 3 y prime equal minus 2 over 3. So y prime equals what? Minus 2. So what will be the equation? Y minus 8 minus 2 x minus 1. I want x equals 0. If x equals 0, y minus 8. Find the x-intercept, huh? I mean, y equals 0. X-intercept, you want the x-intercept. X-intercept, I would like y equals 0. I'm looking for x. So 0 minus 8 equal minus 2x plus 2. So I have minus 10 equal minus 2x, so x equal 5. So this is 5 and 0. The slope of tangent line to this at this point. Just differentiate calculation for x cubed plus 4xy square plus 4x square y prime plus 4y cubed y prime equal 8xy plus 4x square y prime. The point minus 1 1. يلا عوض هنا يصير minus 4 هنا minus 4 هنا I have 4 y prime هنا you have what plus 4 y prime هنا عندنا كم minus 8 وهنا عندنا كم 4 y prime. So I have 4y prime. I take this there. I take all of this there. Equal 0. So y prime equals 0. That's it. Yeah. The sort of tangent line to this. 2 and 0. Differentiate. So you have 4axy derivative of this, which is y plus xy prime equal 2x minus 2y y prime. 2 and 0. Substitute. I have 4. This is 2 0 plus 2y prime equal 4. This is 0. So 8y prime equal 4. So y prime equal half. That's it. This is logarithmic differentiation. Ln f of x equals 3 ln 2x plus 1 plus 2 ln x cubed x square minus 1. Okay. Minus ln x plus 3. Differentiate. So I have f prime over f of 0. What is f of 0? F of x. F of 0 will be what? 1 times 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Don't forget this. This one will be 3 times 2 over 2x plus 1. Plus 2 times 2x over x squared minus 1. 1 over x plus 3. So f prime at 0 will be f at 0 times what? عود عند الزيرو الآن 6 عند الزيرو that will be 0 minus 1 over 3. What? Yeah. That will be 1 over 3, 17 over 3. So it's 17 over 9. What is this one? You have this parabola. Normal line, the point this intersect the parabola at another point. We did it before. So first to find the equation normal line. I have to find the slope of the normal. Minus 1 slope of the tangent. Minus 1 over f prime at 3. What is f prime at x? It will be x minus 2. Okay. Right? Yeah. X minus 2. So it will be f prime at 3 and over m tangent. It will be 1. Yeah. So it will be m normal minus 1. So it will be the equation of the normal. Y minus 3 over 2 minus x minus 3, which means y equal minus x plus 3 plus 3 over 2, which is minus x plus 9 over 2. This, I plug it here. So I have minus x plus 9 over 2 equal half x minus 2 squared plus 1. Multiply by 2. I have minus 2x plus 9 equal x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. Combine it. I have x squared minus 2x. Take this to the other side, minus 2x. 5 minus 9, which is minus 4. This should be equal to 0. There is a mistake somewhere. Minus 2x plus 9. Plus 2. This is plus 2, sorry. This is plus 2. So this is minus 3. Why I noticed a mistake? Because I should get this point. So I should simplify this. So that will be x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. Correct? Yeah, minus 3x, yes. So I have x equal 3, x equal minus 1. I will not look at this because it's here. I want another point. X equal minus 1, y will be what? At minus 1, I can plug it here. So it's 1 plus 9 over 2. It's 9 over 2 plus 1, which is 11 over 2. So this is A, and this is B. What they want? They want 4A plus 2B. 4A, it will be minus 4 plus 11, and that is 7, which is this one. Okay, we're almost there. Yeah. If y equal this, find dy at x equal e, ln y equal x squared ln x. So y prime over y will be 2x ln x plus x squared times 1 over ln x times 1 over x. I want it at what? At e. So what is y at e? Y at e, ln e, which is 1 to the power e squared, which is 1. So y prime at e will be y at e times what? Here I have 2e ln of ln e. 1 ln 1 0 هذا 0. And then e square 1 over ln e plus 1 over e. So this is 1. So this is e, and this is 0. This is 1. So the answer is e, which is this one. Second derivative, we did it before. Let me do it again. Differentiate 2x plus 2y, y prime equals 0. So it means in y prime equal minus x over y. Differentiate this 2 plus 2 y prime plus 2 y double prime equals 0. I do product rule here. So 2y double prime divide by 2 to cancel that 2. So I have 1 plus y prime square equal, or I have y double prime equal, take it the other side, minus 1 minus y prime square, or y double prime equal minus 1 minus y prime square over y. And that will be minus 1 minus, what is y prime? Minus x over y square over y. And that will give me what? Minus 1 minus x squared over y, which is minus y squared minus x squared over y cubed. And that is minus 4 over y cubed. Using this, I took minus as a common factor. Yeah, try to do these ones. What about y at 0? It will be what? This is 1 over 0 over 3. That's 1 over 3. That's a good one. Ln y will be equal 3 ln 2x plus 1 plus 2 ln x cubed x squared minus 1 minus ln x plus 3. differentiate y prime over 1 equal to x plus 1. I have 3 times 2. X squared minus 1. I have 2 times 2x. 1 over x plus 3. Y prime at 0 will be y at 0 times this at 0. It will be 6. This is 0. This is 1 over 3, which is 1 over 3. This is 18 minus 1, 17 over 3, which is 17 over 9, which is this one. The number of points in the graph of this equation has a vertical tangent line. Vertical tangent line. Let us see what will happen. Differentiate this. Have 8x plus 2y, y prime minus 8 plus 4y prime equals 0. That means I have 2y plus 4 times y prime equal 8 minus 8x. So I have y prime divided by 2, 4 minus 4x over y plus 2. I want this. Let me be sure. 8x, 2y prime minus 8 plus 4y prime equals 0. I took 2y plus 4, and this is 8 minus 8x. I divide by 2, 4 minus 4x over y plus 2. Yes. I want this to have vertical tangents. The function y, when it has vertical tangent means the limit of f prime goes to infinity as x goes to a. So I want this to go to infinity. So I want the denominator to go to 0. So that means y should be equal to y plus 2 is equal to 0, but 4 minus 4x not equal to 0. So I have y equal minus 2. I plug it here now to see how many points I have. Because x should be not equal to 1. Plug it here, what you will have 4x squared plus 4 minus 8x minus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is cancelled. So I can take 4x common factor. I have x minus 2 equals 0. So I have x equals 0 or x equal 2, which is okay. And this is okay. So I have the points 0 minus 2 and 2 minus 2. So these are the 2 points where I have vertical tangent. This one, second derivative, 2x plus 2y, y prime equals 0. So y prime equal minus x over y. Differentiate, do it here, minus y, minus 1 times y, minus x y prime over y square. That will be minus y plus x times y prime, will be minus x over y square. And that will be what? Minus y square minus x square over y cubed, which is minus 25 over y square here. With this y, it will be y cubed, which is this one. Yeah, intersect the parabola. This intersect the parabola at another point. What is the other point? Do the same thing. I need to find the equation with the normal line. Minus 1 over m tangent minus 1 over f prime at 2. Very clear. F prime of x equal to x. So it's minus 1 over 4. So it's the equation of the normal line. Y minus 4 minus 1 over 4, x minus 2, multiply 4y minus 16 minus x plus 2. So I have, oh, no need to do this because I need y equal. So y equal minus 1 over 4x plus half minus 4, which is minus 1 over 4x, half minus 7 over 2. I plug it here. So I have minus 1 over 4x minus 7 over 2 equal x squared multiplied by 4 minus x minus 14 equal 4x squared. So I have 4x squared plus x plus 14 equals 0. Yeah, I did the mistake somewhere. Y minus 4. This is minus 1 over 4. Huh? This is 2x, so it will be 4 minus 1 over 4. Minus 4, minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 2. So I have minus 1 over x plus half plus 4, but not minus. This is plus 4, sorry. But this is plus 9 over 2. This is plus, yeah, plus 9 over 2. Times 4, I have minus x plus 18 equal 4x squared. So I have 4x squared plus x minus 18 equals 0. So I have 4x plus 9, x minus 2 equals 0. I know about this because I have this point, x minus 2. 9x minus 8x plus x, خلاص. So I have x equal 2, no need. I need the second point. And they have, this is no need, x equal minus 9 over 4. X equal minus 9 over 4. What will be y? It will be x squared, 81 over 16. So I have this point. Yes, I reached the exercises. Let me stop this one. And then I will continue with the exercises. That's the only things remaining. Thank you.